name is Jason Scroggins. I work with 4-Star Freightliner. I want to address battery maintenance in a motorhome. Battery maintenance is real important due to they are very expensive. You got deep cycle batteries on the house side, and then you got chassis batteries also. Far as motorhomes, they are plugged up to shore power when they are stored. It helps the inverter and the converters charge the batteries. Periodically, at least 4 times a year, you want the batteries inspected, the acid levels checked, and also battery tested. If you do this, the life of your batteries will extend tremendously, and it won't be so costly on replacing them. It's always a problem when you go out on the road with your motorhome, you got your family with you, you're on vacation, and you got an alternator problem, or you got a battery charging problem, and you got to spend a day or two at a service location on your vacation. But just a little bit of work previous amongst the year that you got it stored will save you a lot of heartache on your vacations.